Hello, this is Guy Grant, your Spring Hill, Florida realtor, coming to you with some information about mortgage interest rates. They did go up just a little bit. They were at like 6.5 and they're up to 6.65. They went up about 15 basis points, and that's probably because the inflation numbers came back worse than expected. Was at 6.41 compared to 6.45. Those numbers are still pretty high. I think they were hoping they were going to come down a little bit more than they did. We are down from the peak here that we were over 8%. We're down in this 6% range, but even that is really high historically. You can look, you have to go back 30 years plus to get inflation that high. And so the interest rates are still around that's under 7.5, and if you look historically, that's not that bad. And that's through all of these recessions. These gray areas are the recessions. That was the COVID recession. That was the mortgage meltdown. That was the dot-com problem. That was the savings and loan crisis. And then this was Jimmy Carter and Ronald Reagan doing their thing way back when. But, through all of that, the average sale price of homes has continued to go up. Now, there have been a couple of times when it's gone down. In fact, the biggest one was here when we had the mortgage meltdown, the mortgage crisis. But they were given mortgages. If you had a pulse, you could get a mortgage, and that just wasn't good business. But if you go back to the 60s, you were paying $19,000 for a house. And now the average sale price in the United States is $535,000. So the sooner you get on this line, whether it's your first house, your first rental property, or your 10th rental property, this is the line that you want to be on, because over time you can pick any 5, 7, 10-year period, and you're going to be in good positive numbers regardless of when you bought or what your interest rate was or anything like that. So that's what I wanted to bring in. If there's anything I can do for you, please get a hold of me. Thanks. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see all my videos, you can check them out at facebook.com/oneguygrant or on YouTube at youtube.com/@guygrant. Thanks.